How to connect Temu to Shopify tutorial. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can connect Temu to Shopify. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to temu.com. Make sure to sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you want to create one for both Temu and Shopify. Once you have created the account, you want to open a new tab. Now head over to chromewebstore.google.com. Here search for Importify. Now, Importify is a paid application on Shopify platform which allows you to find products from various websites and add them to your Shopify store and sell them online. So you want to click on the Add to Chrome option. Now you want to click on Add Extension option. Once the downloading will be completed, this will be added to your Chrome. Now you want to make sure that you have pinned this extension. Now head back over to Temu's website. Here you want to explore the website and find the product that you want to import in Shopify. Now you will find this add button. Go ahead and click on this. Now you will have to log into Importify first. So click on this login option. Now you want to select Shopify from here and click on login. Enter your credentials and you will be logged into Shopify. After that, the product you have selected will be successfully imported to Shopify, and in this way, you can sell the Temu product in Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.